Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I got exciting news for today. I bought a brand new car. Well, new to me. It's an actually '03 Mustang GT convertible. I got it at the auction. It has a front damage, slightly front damage, and I got it at a great deal. As you guys kind of know, my '03 V6 Mustang, I had that thing for like 18 years. I bought it brand new. I love that car, but this came as a great deal and I could have not passed it. I kind of also been looking into S550 chassis, but they're a little bit pricey at the moment. So I stuck with this one, and the reason is because it has like super low miles for the year. It has like 59,000 miles. So I bought it sight unseen. So we're gonna go get it right now and talk more about it.
She's looking all sad. Gucci gang! Ooh, a GT. Alright. Looks clean. Oh yeah. Alright, here's a better view. Looks like the person who had this car hit the truck. But so far, looks like I'm gonna need a hood. I'm gonna need a fender and a bumper and a headlights and a bumper support. And most of the stuff I already kind of pre-ordered. So I'm gonna take the car home right now and then we're gonna see what's wrong with it. But the good thing about this car is it's a '03 and only has 59,000 miles. So literally it's like a brand new car. Here's my Raptor. Here's my current stang. Don't mind this, I was gonna wrap the car, but I guess that's not gonna happen right now. And this is the beauty that we bought. Kinda wanna wash it before I put it in the garage, but we'll see. I had to wash her. She was filthy, but look at that paint though. It's pretty good. Alright, so the main damage is gonna be in the front. It looks like we have a corner of a hood that is a little bit chipped, and this can be fixed easily with some fiberglass. The front bumper, the headlights. Looks like the person, like I said earlier, seems like he hit the truck, because this is like definitely a hitch. So he hit a hitch. On this side, the fender only moved to the left because I think the hood pushed it a little bit. And right here, when you pushed it the other way, it had a little dent right here. So the door is kind of like chipped right here as well. And I believe the windshield glass is broken right here too. But this is 03 Mustang. It's fully loaded, convertible, and should be really easy to fix since I know how to work on these things. I took mine apart like many times, and this is the best part of this car, I think. Mac 1000 OEM. I never knew they came like this, but damn, this thing bumps. And on the inside, it's a charcoal, all charcoal. Obviously the airbags are out. And it has 59,000 miles. It's manual, 6 CD changer, free bubble gum that comes out when you need it. And the seats are pretty dope. Everything is so new in this car. And the seats are good too. And the back, this is the trunk cover. The seats are pretty new. Even comes with the OEM floor mats. So I just have to clean the inside, and we'll start fixing her up. Okay, she is a little bit filthy. The engine bay is filthy, but it's not oily. So it's literally just the dust. So that's why I kind of like what I see. Nobody tried to wash it. It's so clean. Even under the car, it's dry. You can see it pretty good. And the main damage that is going to be, looks like, is going to be header panel. But I already ordered a header panel. I ordered the bumper support. And I already have the headlights. I also got the airbags. The airbags are going to be painted to match the interior color. I got this bad boys, this classic 17083 dark graphite. Should match. I kind of did a little test, and it kind of matches pretty well. So the main thing, looks like the bottom radiator and radiator sport, everything is good. The AC works on it pretty good. So the main thing is, I'm just gonna disassemble this and see what it is, but I think it's like one of those things that hold the bumper. I think they're called crush bars, or I don't even know what they're called, harmonic. But I got those two on the way, so it should be really easy to replace. All right, let's hear this bad boy. She is 59K. Man, just a solid car. Stock exhaust. Very good. Now that we've seen this car, let's talk about the plan. This is my current baby. I fucking love her. But she is a V6. So the plan is to get this bumper, to get this hood, get these wheels, springs, eye bag shocks. ibex sway bars, side skirts, exhaust, same thing on the rear, and move everything over to this car. And I think it's gonna look sick. Currently, like, you guys didn't like my last video that I made on the Mustang because my exhaust was not functional, the side, but I did say it's cosmetic, you know, so just for the looks. A lot of these cars come with like a cosmetic exhaust just for the looks, because, you know, I didn't want to run the side exhaust because I already have like a before the axle dump. So the main thing is I want to transfer all those good parts over, because that's OEM Cobra hood, OEM Rush bumpers. So I want to get all that onto this Mustang, and I do actually want to make the side exhaust functional this time, so that nobody can doubt me, okay? So this is just going to be mainly like intro, so stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to start fixing her and getting airbags replaced. So I'm going to have a couple of videos on it, and we're going to get this bad boy done. And like I always say, I appreciate you guys watching. I know this is just like an intro video, but stay tuned, and we're gonna get her fixed. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.